Today, we're going to talk about personal brand versus business brand. And this distinction only happens, obviously, for you, a coach, a consultant, of any kind, real estate, financial advisors, loan officers, all kinds, right? Service providers, right? Therapists, masseuses, all kinds of service providers out there. And why is that? It's because this type of solopreneur like you are dealing directly with your customer. When you're dealing directly with your customer, you have to have a very strong personal brand because people have to connect with you, right? So what's the difference really? What happens is this, and things have changed a lot in the last 2 to 3 years. Okay, it wasn't like that before. But the way I define and differentiate both is like this: business brand is all about the appearance, right? It's your logos, or your logo. It's your font that you chose, your colors that you chose. It is about, all the photo shoots that you do. Why is that? Because that's really a very surface way of people to see you. Not saying that's not important, but it's now taking a little bit of a back seat on marketing. It is a very new thing, okay, because you still are going to see people doing logos, people doing amazing photo shoots, yes. But the most important part of working on your brand nowadays, currently, it could change again, but I feel like it's really where we are getting into. We are getting into a marketing that's much more about connection, about building relationship, than it is about showing something that's really not real, right? It's being authentic. And we're going to talk about it much deeper in the retreat. But I want you to understand this. A personal brand is you showing up authentically. And authentically, yes, in your best version of the authentic, but it's all about what you write online, the content you share. It's about really taking a stand on this or that. Okay, it's about being more vulnerable and more personable, because online, that's what people are looking for, right? They get it, that you have an amazing office, you take these amazing pictures, that you are super dressed up, but they want to know, who really is this person? Because I want to know if I really want to work with that person. And that's where your personal brand comes to flourish. Okay, that's how you're going to show who you are, what you stand for, what are your values. That's what a personal brand is. You see, it's very different from the logos and the colors and the fonts, which tells about you a little bit, yeah. But that, I feel like right now, it's more about you connecting to that than your possible clients connecting to that. They're going to connect to the real you, okay? And you're going to see that I am in love with my business brand, okay? It has a lot of significance for me, and I'm really connected to it. And that might obviously come through. My energy comes through. I mean, I love lavenders. You're going to see about a lot about it in the retreat. Lavenders, purples. I have all kinds of things that are that, and I'm going to continue doing that. But the most important thing is not that, and I know that. I know how to separate it, and obviously I know how much time to invest on that. That's not that important anymore. So I'm not going to invest time on that. Okay, I'm going to invest time in showing up who I am, showing really people why they want to connect with me or not. Okay, the personal brand is really what's going to help people self-select. Okay, I don't like her. I don't like her accent. I don't like that she's super optimistic. I don't want to work with her. Right? That's totally fine. But this is who I am. Right? And I'm going to attract people that like who I am, because really, why would you want to build a business showing something that you're not? And then you're going to attract people that are not the kind of people you want to work with, right? So this is something I really wanted to bring up for you to start thinking as we go to the retreat, because this is going to be super important for you to understand when you are building your marketing system, aka funnel. Okay, it's so important for it, all the phases, all the elements, for you to sprinkle your personal brand. Wonderful. Great.